honored to introduce our second guest speaker, Mr. Nitin Purushan, sir. Mr. Nitin Purushan, sir, he's an Assistant Controller Legal Metrology, South Zone, Margao. He has done his graduation in BSc Mathematics, MSc Physical Oceanology and LLB. Sir is a student of Salgaocar College of Law. Sir has completed 21 years of working in the Department of Legal Metrology. Today, Sir will enlighten us with the applicability of legal metrology in day-to-day life of us. Thank you. So you may now take.
Good afternoon to all. Before I start telling anything, what do you know about legal metrology? What is the role basically? Anyone? It is as simple as moment you are born till you are dead. Legal metrology department plays a very important role with respect to human being. With respect to other things also, we play a very important role. So legal metrology is nothing but the science of weighment and measurement regulated by law. So under legal metrology, we have two sections. One is weights and measures and one is package commodity. So the main legislation governing is the Parent Act, Legal Metrology Act 2009 and Legal Metrology Package Commodity Rules 2011 and Goa has made Goa Legal Metrology Rules 2011. So these are the different types of weights which are being used. First one, they are the commercial weights. Second one is the stainless steel weights. They are basically used in pharmaceuticals, jewelry. Third one is the jewelry weight. Measures. First one is the conical measures. Basically you will find kerosene vendors. And I think now most of you have the bike, car, everything. Have you seen it in petrol pump? How many have tried with it? Nobody have time. You will just put the fuel and go. You have no time to check whether you are getting whatever quantity you are putting in the vehicle. Second one is the pouring measure. Basically, in olden days it was used for oil. Third one, anyone? Weight is used? Good. Fourth one, anyone? Milk. Fifth one, it's a vehicle tank. It is delivering fuel from the fueling station to the petrol pump. And sixth one, anyone? It is a length measure. Cloth industries, shirt piece, pant piece, any dress material. So first one is the weighing instrument. The second one is a counter scale. It is an old concept now. Rarely you will find anyone using mechanical. Everyone is going for digital. Third one Anyone can guess what it is? Weighbridge. A vehicle is getting some goods. If you want to measure the weight of the goods, the platform is there. Measuring instrument, the first one, it is a taxi fare meter. Bottom one is a auto rickshaw fare meter. This is a petrol pump, fuel dispensing, and the next one is the CNG. So Legal Metrology Act mandate that all weights and measure which is being used in transaction and or protection must be verified and stamped by a legal metrology officer before putting into use. So whenever you are starting any business, you have to ensure that all the weights and measures which are using it should be verified and stamped. If you are using unverified, then it is a big offense. And it is a duty of all the consumer, before you buy anything, check whether the weights and measures are verified or not. And secondly, ask them to show the verification certificate issued by Legal Metrology Department. This is the first duty when you enter into any shop, any premises, any canteen, college where you find any weights and measure. If you don't check it, you are allowing them to do all the illegal activities. Because moment we come, everyone is having a digital instruments. We are just like a virus. Because moment we just step in Salgaocar College, entire department come to know legal metrology has arrived. So by the time we arrive, everything become correct. By the time we go back, everything become incorrect. So it is your duty to ensure that whatever you pay, you get the exact amount. Because afterwards, you are blame the department is not doing anything. But when we go in the field, the news is spreading like virus. From one corner to another corner, Goa is hardly 120 kilometer and 140 kilometer length and breadth. Everyone is available within a second. If you go in other state, to meet anyone you require 2 to 3 days prior appointment. This is the verification certificate. It is a duty of all the shopkeeper, mall, industries, petrol pump and all to exhibit it in the premises, and it is your duty to check it that whatever you buy, all the instruments which they are selling it is verified by the department or not. Next. So when you buy anything, the unit should be kilogram, gram, milligram. It should not be LBS. If you find anything in LBS, it is a non-standard unit. Whereas in lengthwise, meter, centimeter, millimeter, no inches. You know, one film personality was booked. He was doing one online show, KBC. And the person who was booked was Amitabh Bachchan. Because he asked a contestant one question: how much inch is this instrument? How much inch? He was supposed to ask how much meter, centimeter or millimeter. So you all are all lawyers. After finishing your law, you will be doing sale deed, agreement for sale, anything. Even in the drafting, if we use feet, inches, you can be booked. Please note. So what is the offense here in the picture? It is a paper weight. Nobody know what is the exact weight. They will say it is quarter kilo, but nobody have time to open it and see it. Second one, it is a spring balance. It is only meant for domestic use, not for commercial use. This is a old Goan custom, paleo pearl. It is no more allowed. You will find maximum in Mapsa market. So when you buy any product, you have to ensure that the weighing instrument is placed on a level platform. It should be leveled. Second, the display should be visible to the consumer. Third, the display should show zero and there should not be any fluctuation. Moment you go in the sweet shop, jewelry shop, if you see the fan operating, just notice at the weighing scale. It will fluctuate. One fluctuation. And the last, all the weights should be verified by the legal metrology department. So when you enter in a petrol pump, first thing you must see it is zero before the fuel is delivered. But 90% nobody is looking at the display, they are just looking at their mobile. If you have any doubt with respect to the accuracy, the fuel which is being put in the vehicle, this conical measure is there, which is certified by legal metrology department. And the oil company has told all the consumers that if you have any doubt, you can have a free checkup. How many of you all have exercised this, right? 90% most probably will be going to supermarket, mall and everything. How many of you all have exercised? Nobody is having time. Money is freely available. Dad, I haven't 500, 5,000, 10,000, but nobody wants to check. When you go in a mall, it is your right that whatever product you buy, you weigh it, and they are supposed to give you a printed, means they are supposed to give you a receipt with rubber stamp put, the weight of this package is so and so. If they don't give it, you have full right to lodge a complaint to us. Video play.
अरे कोण
बाजारात मिठाई आणला गेलो
बाजारात मिठाई आणला वजनाने मापाचे लक्ष दिले मरे
वजन माप कित्याक पळोवपाक तर ते
लक्ष दिवंक जाय तर आम्ही पळोवंक जाय दुकानदार वजनाने माप विभागावरवी पडताळिल्ली तांगडी आणि वजनाचो उपयोग करता म्हणून तशेंच जर तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक तांगडी वापरता जाल्यार जोडचे पयलीं ताजेर झिरो म्हळ्यार शून्य आसपाक जाय आणि जेन्ना मिठाई घेता तेन्ना बॉक्स आणि मिठाईचे वजन एक जावंक फावना
आणि जर दुकानदार ह्या तरेन वजन करना जाल्यार कितें
फाव ते वजन आणि मापा खातीर सरकारान ठरयिल्ले नेम पाळना जाल्यार ताजेर कागाळ जावं येता
मागे तुझ्या मुंड्यान वजन आसा
आपल्या अधिकाराबद्दल जाणून घेयात. पुराय माहिती आणि तक्रार रजिस्टर करपाखातीर गोंय सरकाराच्या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लीगल मेट्रोलॉजीच्या क्विक रिस्पॉन्स नंबर 94033019
Note down this number.
www.consumerhelpline.gov.in हाजेर संपर्क करचो.
Next. How many of you will go and buy sweets? You are buying sweet or you are buying box?
Buying sweets?
Along with box.
Yes, box comes along with it.
So anytime you have checked the weight of the box?
No.
No time. Somebody is waiting at home.
We check the weight of the sweets.
Huh?
We check the weight of the sweets.
Yeah, but have you any time checked the weight of empty box? So if we make a cut of 50 grams to you, imagine per day around 2 to 300 customer come. 300 into 50 grams. And the weight of sweet is not less than 600, 700. Money is freely available. So next time,
Check the weight of the box.
I want my sweet only in plastic bag, or I don't want box that you demand. Play.
अरे फ्रांस हांव पळय गो मातशें कोण येयलो तो
सिलिंडर येवपा आशिल्लो.
घ्या मॅडम तुमचो सिलिंडर
हा, आनी सिलिंडराचें वजन कित्याक करिना?
तेजी कांयच गरज ना मॅडम सारको आसा
गरज आसा, तो आमचो अधिकार आसा. वजन करून दाखय.
ना मॅडम
हय, खंयचें सामान वा वस्तू जपून घेवपाचो आमचो अधिकार आसा. सारकें वजन आनी माप सरकारान केल्ल्या नेमांचे जर गैरवापर केलो
Play करो. बटन ना. सगळं. बॉटल आहे ना. राहिला. परत कर.
अरे फ्रांस हांव पळय गो मातशें कोण येयलो तो
सिलिंडर येवपा आशिल्लो.
घ्या मॅडम तुमचो सिलिंडर
हा, आनी सिलिंडराचें वजन कित्याक करिना?
तेजी कांयच गरज ना मॅडम सारको आसा
गरज आसा, तो आमचो अधिकार आसा. वजन करून दाखय.
ना मॅडम
हय, खंयचें सामान वा वस्तू जपून घेवपाचो आमचो अधिकार आसा. सारकें वजन आनी माप सरकारान केल्ल्या नेमांचे जर गैरवापर केलो
So first and foremost, when you are buying a gas cylinder, it is your right to check the weight of the gas cylinder on delivery. It is mandatory for the cylinder delivery vehicle and boy to possess a verified weighing scale. Domestic cylinder have their tare weight printed on them. The gas agency should fill domestic gas cylinder with 14.2. How many have seen the gas cylinder? Where is the tare weight written? Yellow. Yellow ring is there on the tare weight. So what should be the weight of the cylinder? Very good lawyer. What is the weight of the cylinder? Tare weight plus 14.2. But nobody have time to check it. Just blame the department. What is a pre-packaged commodity? It is nothing but a commodity which is packed in absence of fuel, and it is having a predetermined quantity, half kilo, 1 kg, 2 kg. Next. Next. Play.
ऑफिसात बारीक कितें खावपाक तुया मॅडम चल घे मरे चल टायम काडनाका अरे ते वाच तरी आठवडे वाचपाच्या लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी कायद्यानुसार त्याचे बरेचसे डिटेल्स कंझ्युमर प्रोटेक्शन आणि फेअर ट्रेड प्रॅक्टिसाची जतनाय ते डिपार्टमेंट घेता.
हांवें केन्ना लक्षूच घालूंक ना मरे
ते महत्वाचे. लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट कस्टमर्साच्या प्रोटेक्शन्साची काळजी घेता आणि त्यांच्याकडे कसलीच खोटीपणा जावची ना हेची ती जतनाय घेता. हाजेर पळय कशें वेवस्थीत बरयल्लें आसा अशें दर एक पॅक केल्ल्या वस्तूचेर आसपाक जाय. तुमी सादूर जाय खंयचोय प्रोडक्ट विकत घेतना मॅन्युफॅक्चररचें नांव आनी पत्तो, पॅक केल्ली कमॉडिटी, नेट क्वॉन्टिटी, MRP इन्क्लुसीव ऑफ ऑल टॅक्सेस, मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग डेट, युनिट सेल प्राइस, कस्टमर केअर एड्रेस हो आसपाक जाय आनी तो उगडच दवरजाय. आनी ह्यो गजाली फक्त प्रॉडक्टाचेरच न्हू आमी पटोवपाक जायना म्हणून गरजेच्यो. आनी तुमकां जर असलो अनुभव येयला जाल्यार मनात कसलीच भिरांत न बाळगता गोंय सरकाराच्या वजनमाप खात्याक
9403301977
या नंबराचेर कागाळ करात. लक्षात दवरात फटवणूक करची न्हय आनी जावपाक दिवची न्हय.
So this is the important declaration which is required on all packages. What you carrying also in your hand, you have to check all the declarations. First, name and complete address of manufacturer, packer and importer. That is very important. Second, country of origin for imported goods. Third, common or generic name. Fourth, net quantity. Fifth, month and year of manufacturer. Sixth, best before or use by date. Seventh, retail sale price on the package. Eighth, customer care detail. Ninth, unit sale price. And 10th, the dimension. Customer care address should be complete. No email address, no mobile number, no WhatsApp number. It is name and address of the person or the office who or which can be contacted in case of consumer complaint. If in most of the boxes you will find customer care address same as that of manufacturer, packer or importer, that is allowed, or same as above. It is to be presumed same as that of manufacturing address. What is unit sale price? Anyone? This is implemented from 1/1/2024. It is basically if it is above kg, rupees per kg. If it is below kg, rupees per gram. Same is applicable to liters. If it is above liters, per liter, and below 1 liter per ml. It is basically like you have two different company product, one ITC, one HUL. Same product, everything same. This is costing you 800 and that is costing you 700. So you can judge what is per ml the cost of the product, per liter what is the cost of the product. Even in the rice pack, you are buying a 25, 30 kg, 50 kg pack. So you can judge how much per kg it will cost to me. If somebody is selling rice, if per kg it is costing you 70 rupees and if he is selling for 75, overcharging, you can lodge complaint to the quick response number.
म्हाका एक उदका बाटली दिता.
This is happening to everyone.
5 रुपये चड कशे?
बाय उदक थोडें आसा न्हू.
हां म्हळ्यार
फ्रिजाचें लायटीचें बील येता. जाय तो गरम कर दिवं.
बाई तकली मातशी शांत दवरात. तुमकां खबर आसा MRP परस चड पयशांत सामान विकतल्याचेर कारवाय करूंक शकता ते. MRP परस चड मोल केन्नाच दिवं नाका. जर दुकानदारान मानलें ना जाल्यार कामार करा.
म्हाका इतली भानगडी जाता MRPचेर दी.
आपल्या अधिकाराबद्दल जाणून घेया. पुराय म्हायती आणि तक्रार रजिस्टर करपा खातीर गोंय सरकाराच्या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लीगल मेट्रोलॉजीच्या क्विक रिस्पॉन्स नंबर 9403301977 वा www.consumerhelpline.gov.in हाचेर संपर्क करचो.
No retailer or other person, including the manufacturer, packer, importer, and wholesale dealer, shall make any sale of any commodity in packed form at a price exceeding the retail sale price thereof. Simple reason is that if a product is manufactured and packed, and if it is moment it leaves the manufacturing premises, even the manufacturer has no right to change the MRP. Once printed is final. Unless and until if the government of India imposes some tax and the price is increased, the manufacturer has to put a separate sticker and he has to mention rupees 150 with effect from so and so date. A separate sticker at a separate place. He should not overwrite it. In most of the case, they put X marks and inside there they will write this. Even they cannot smudge it. Similar case we have booked when I was in Pendem. The government of Goa has imposed some excess tax and the liquor beer bottle was charging 2 rupees extra. The Kingfisher Industries smudged the price and they wrote the new price. So if you see this package, I'm not talking something about smudging in this. See how the customer care address is written. Customer care address same as refactor and marketer address. This is mandatory. Expiry date, date of packing, unit sale price. That is rupees 1.8 per gram. MRP, batch number. Net weight, common generic name T, the address, and this is the FSI, which is not coming under us, but of any food item, FSI number is be there. Now yes, and one more thing is this logo, green and red. Green means so, after some time, if somebody want to start any business and if he is putting a supermarket or anything, and if he is doing packing, mandatory thing he should get registered with the legal metrology department. That is the most important. So basically, when they get registered with us, we guide them that you are packing this, how you have to pack it, what type of weighing scale you are supposed to use it. Because the problem is, most of the packing unit are using a 30 kg balance and they are packing only 200 grams. So you can imagine what will be the error. On 30 kg, if you weigh 200 grams, how much error it will be. And we guide them also that if you are packing this, what declarations are required. So just note down the contact number. If you have any complaint with respect to anything, you can just WhatsApp it anywhere in Goa. Any questions?
Sir, I sent an email on this email, but my email was not answered.
Just try the WhatsApp quick response number. Or otherwise you can call on this number.
sir, does the rule of that overcharging for the packaged products apply with regards to secluded places and at different times? Like to tell you further, like I went for a Dudh Sagar trek, so sir, there are no shops and all. No. So there was a small house where that lady was selling all these chips, water bottles, Gatorades and other products, but for a slightly higher price. So at that point of time, everyone bought that, but so I wanted to clarify on that.
But MRP was printed.
Yes, all packaged products, normal chips, water bottle, everything.
See, except the situation of the airport, where that case is now before the High Court, the state. And I think you all should take up this case, that stay should be vacated.
Which?
The one about charging for the same bottle. Same bottle being sold in the airport, what is the extra price?
No, actually the new rule has come is that the same product should have same MRP anywhere you sell. Now what the company is doing?
Selected outlet.
This is Bisleri. In airport you will find Bisleri 20. So it is a different product. Aqua Fina, Aqua Pure. They have changed the name, MRP they are charge high. You can just go to airport, you can just compare. Company has just changed the brand name. And they will say it added extra minerals. Yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask you if your department sends flying squads
Def-
to inspect a particular premises.
Definitely, anywhere.
So, because when I went to a stall, there was a stall put up in a fair, and he sold me a Coke bottle for 10 rupees extra. And when I told him...
Which fair?
Sir, Old Goa fair. But the Coke bottle had a MRP price on it. So can he sell above the price?
No.
So I sent the email regarding this.
One thing, best thing, just use the quick response number because we have a dedicated officer for the quick response number. Moment you give the complaint, within a half an hour it is sent to the concerned inspector anywhere in Goa. It is a very quick service. If you don't get a quick service, you can lodge a complaint to the public grievance, Government of Goa, that we are not taking any action. Actually 15 years back, we have even raided the Goa Secretariat because we carried out the inspection and fax roll was coming. In the fax roll it was mentioned 6 meters, 10 meters something. We checked all this, we found it was 6 meters was mentioned, it was only 4 meters. Then subsequently we got the news, we also raided the Goa Secretariat, we also booked the contractor. So we have not spared anyone. So best thing is, rather than email, quick response number is a very quick service. Till that 100% we have booked. Recently, one case is pending before Roland sir. Everyone is having mobile, right? Apple mobile, Samsung mobile. How many of you have given it to servicing center? Nobody have time to check what is put and what is not put. Recently, one raid was conducted by him in Panjim. We received a complaint that the spare parts which is being used at the service center is not having any declaration. Anywhere, you go anywhere in India, all the package should bear this declaration. But nobody is having time just to see at the spare. You all buy 2 lakh rupees mobile phone, but you all don't have 2 minutes time. Money is freely available. So from today onwards, take 1 minute at least. Because you have 1 minute can save thousands of people. Because the only problem, when we go, it is very difficult. When you all raise the voice at our quick response number, then it is very quick. Any questions? Actually, in my 21 years of career, I have won one case in Supreme Court, one case is pending in Supreme Court, 3 cases are pending in High Court, and most of the cases are in JMFC. It is all against not a small company, big companies. Vigard, Indian Oil Corporation, Havels, Lloyd. We are booked number one in India, Ambani. Big TV, when it was launched, we had booked that set-top box for not bearing date of manufacturing. It is not a thing that we don't book big people, political pressure, nothing. We book everyone. Thank you.